Avocado toast is so in vogue right now. It's so good. It's rich, creamy, amazing. Today's activity is from our new website, atkkids.com. We have everything from recipes for guacamole and homemade sprinkles to science experiments and super fun trivia. Head on over to atkkids.com to check this activity out and let us know what you think in the comments. Hey, I'm Priya, and today I'm making avocado toast. I make avocado toast all the time. It's quick, it fuels me up so I'm not hungry until lunchtime, and it's delicious. Make sure to measure and prep all your ingredients beforehand and gather all the equipment you'll need. In a small bowl, whisk together oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The lemon juice adds a nice tang to the avocado toast, and a bonus, it keeps the avocado from turning brown. When an avocado turns brown, it's called oxidation. This happens because an enzyme in the avocado is interacting with oxygen. Luckily, this enzyme doesn't like acid, so the acidic lemon juice keeps the avocado from turning brown. Grab a nice ripe avocado. You can tell the avocado is ripe if when you gently squeeze it, it gives slightly. Cut the avocado in half and ask an adult for help if you need it. Twist the two sides in opposite directions and separate. Pop the pit out with a spoon. This pit might go flying. Woo! I told you. Scoop the avocado into the bowl with the lemon dressing and mash it up. It should look like this, mostly smooth, but still a few chunks. Grab some nice crusty bread and pop it in the toaster until it's golden brown. Spread the delicious avocado mixture onto each slice and whoa Nelly. Now you could eat it just like this, but I'm gonna add a little excitement to make it a full meal. Get your oil going on low heat for a few minutes. This is the perfect time to get cracking. First, crack both eggs into a separate bowl. This means that no shells will get into your eggs and both eggs will hit the pan at the same time. Bonus! Now I'm gonna wash my hands since I've just been handling raw eggs. Clean hands! Now I'm gonna season my eggs with salt and pepper. Now that the oil's been going on low for a few minutes, I'm gonna crank it up to medium-high heat and let it go for one more minute. When the oil is hot but not smoking, you're good to go. Pour the eggs into the skillet. Now, the secret to the perfect fried egg. Step 1, cover them with the lid and let it cook for 1 minute. Step 2, turn off the heat and with the lid still on, move the pan to a cool burner. This keeps the egg cooking without browning on the bottom. If you like your yolks runny, like me, leave your eggs for 1 minute. If you like your yolks set, leave them for 2 minutes. Last step, egg it on. Use the spatula to transfer 1 egg onto each piece of toast. Doesn't this look on point? Such a tasty and trendy breakfast. This is really good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making and eating avocado toast. Scroll down the page to check out the recipe and be sure to make it your way. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Then hit the bell icon right next to it so you'll know when we post a video. And check out atkkids.com for new recipes and activities every week.